Hey guys, Alana here, and thank you for tuning into my channel. So today's video is my go-to 10-minute yin practice that I do before bed. So these are just two poses today. We're going to be doing butterfly and pigeon, holding each one for about 3 minutes. This is just my favorite way to connect, ground myself, quiet my mind, and just get ready for bed. So if you like it, feel free to do it whenever you want. It's a great way to just get a quick practice in. You don't always have to have a 30-minute or 60-minute practice. You can do the poses that benefit you the most. So these are mine, and they change day to day. This is just my usual go-to. So we're gonna start in butterfly today. So soles of the feet together, knees are coming out. And generally I'll just quiet my mind and breathe here. I usually don't set an intention or bring my mind to anything. But if you do have problems with quieting down your mind before bed, this is a great time to maybe think of those things you're grateful for today to end your day nice and grateful and happy. Or you can bring to your mind how you want to feel. So maybe that's calm or relaxed, and you just keep that in your mind. So find a tall spine, and we're going to begin to sink into it. Finding your edge here, and once you find that edge or that passive place that you can hold for a couple minutes, you're going to let the body just sink into it. Relax the head and the neck, and breathe. So just begin to find that nice deep breathing here, in and out through the nose, about an equal rhythm of inhales and exhales. Breathing through any thoughts that might come up. It's really great to also bring your eyes to a point. So I usually take my gaze inward to my third eye center, and it just helps kind of direct my vision and keep my eyes soft. All right, we'll slowly begin to rise up, and you can shake out your legs a little bit here, maybe some windshield wipers. Just bring them out in front of you, giving them a little shake. And we're gonna come right into half pigeon. So usually before bed, I don't like to move a whole lot, so I'll get into it from a seat. But if you need to go into a tabletop or downward facing dog to get there, you can go for that now. So we're bringing the shin, trying to get it parallel to the front of the mat. It might be a little tucked in, that's fine too. And just swing the left leg behind you. So you might need to lift yourself up and adjust your hips a little bit. Maybe grab a blanket or a block to put under that right hip. Find that nice tall spine, and if you can, fold into it. If not, you can stay upright. Another option here is to do reverse pigeon on your back or come into deer pose, just bringing that left leg right out from the hip. So just sink in here, clear the mind, find your breath, and surrender. Breathing through any tensions or breathing through any blocks that you might be feeling in your hips. Don't put any judgment on thoughts here. Let them go in and out. All right, so wherever you are, begin to come back up. And you can swing the left leg around, shake it out. A little break in between. And when you're ready, we're gonna switch sides. So I still do it from a seat here, but if you need to move into a better position to access it, go ahead. And just having that right leg come back behind you, maybe grabbing some props. I know my left hip always needs a little cushion. Find your pose and then sink in. Breathe here. Checking in if the face is nice and soft, releasing tension from the shoulders and neck. Breathe through any discomfort or emotions that come up. Let it all go here. Let anything from your day go so you can go to bed rested without your mind being all over the place. All right, if you're folded over, coming back up to the hands, moving any props, swinging that right foot around. You can shake it out. And if you need any other poses, feel free to do them now. This is just my little brief 10-minute thing I do for before bed, so your body might be calling for some more options. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are a little more calm, and this is a practice you can take anywhere, even if you only have a little bit of time. So I hope you have a great night's sleep after this. Please leave me any comments or feedback, and be sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks again. Namaste.